What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best running shoes that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Altra Torin 7 is a high-performance road running shoe meticulously engineered to enhance comfort and performance for runners with neutral mechanics. The shoe boasts a redesigned tongue for a plush feel, along with a lightweight engineered mesh upper that offers breathability and comfort during runs. At the heart of the Torin 7 is the Altra Eco Max foam, providing a plush and durable cushioning experience. This model features an additional 2 mm of cushion, offering extra bounce and comfort for runners. The midsole is designed for firmness, with the Altra Eco Max foam providing a responsive ride. The Torin 7 prioritizes a secure fit with an evolved molded heel collar, ensuring that the foot stays locked in and stable throughout every stride. The standard foot shape fit gives the toes the space they need to move naturally, contributing to overall comfort and performance. Key features of the Torin 7 include its zero-drop design, 30 mm heel and 4-foot stack height, and a footpod outsole that encourages natural foot movement while providing excellent traction on dry surfaces. Despite its higher stack and firm ride, the shoe remains versatile and suitable for various running distances and speeds. With a focus on every detail, the Torin 7 has undergone a fine redesign to deliver peak comfort and performance. Whether conquering short sprints or long distances, this shoe is built to meet the demands of runners who appreciate a firm, non-rockered design with balanced cushioning and standard foot shape fit. The Saucony Endorphin Speed 3 is a versatile and performance-oriented running shoe designed to cater to the needs of runners engaged in various activities, including faster running, racing, and everyday training. This model introduces key enhancements for an optimal running experience. At the heart of its design is the reimagined S-curve wing nylon plate, offering centered and improved foot support for daily training. The updated geometry not only provides a smoother ride but also delivers enhanced pop and spring, making it ideal for serious speed. The newly designed wing plate plays a crucial role in supporting the runner from toe-off to landing, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both stability and propulsion in their runs. The upper of the Endorphin Speed 3 has undergone a full redesign to ensure a comfortable fit from heel to toe. The form-fit design hugs every part of the foot, allowing for a personalized fit while enabling natural movement during the run. Underneath, the shoe features ultralight Power Run PB foam cushioning, contributing to increased bounce and efficiency during high-speed performances. The SpeedRoll technology further promotes a smoother and easier run, facilitating a seamless transition from heel to toe with less effort. The outsole is equipped with XT900 rubber, providing durability and traction, ensuring a firm grip on the road for forward propulsion. The Saucony Endorphin Speed 3 is praised for its suitability across a range of running activities, offering excellent cushioning, responsiveness, and stability. This versatile performance trainer is designed to meet the demands of runners seeking a reliable and adaptable shoe for their training and racing endeavors. The Onemix Light Armor stands out as a marathon running shoe within the men's road racing running shoes range, offering a combination of advanced features typically found in top-tier racing shoes, all at a budget-friendly price point. Engineered with marathon training and racing in mind, this shoe boasts a carbon fiber plate, exclusive foams, and air pockets to enhance performance. Designed with a breathable and comfortable engineered mesh upper, the Light Armor ensures a snug fit suitable for long-distance running. It is praised for its versatility, catering to both competitive runners and those dedicated to training. Notably lightweight, the shoe features easy-to-adapt carbon plate technology for a firm and responsive ride, making it an ideal option for those seeking a cost-effective carbon-plated running shoe. Reviewers highlight the shoe's exceptional cushioning, smooth toe-off, and breathability. The soft armor provides ankle protection, and the heel tension belt secures the foot for added stability. The vacuum foaming midsole, combined with thickened and expanded cushioning, delivers comfort and responsiveness during runs. The 3 Comforts technology, featuring breathable knit mesh upper and footbed sweat and ventilation holes, ensures continuous heat dissipation, sweat absorption, and ventilation. This system keeps the feet dry and comfortable during long-distance running, making the shoe suitable for marathon training and racing. The light armor incorporates a non-slip wear-resistant grip outsole with a high abrasion elastic rubber, ensuring durability and consistent traction. It also features a unique runway heel luminous patch for safer night running. The shoe's lines are aesthetically pleasing and easy to match, adding a fashionable touch to its performance-driven design. In summary, the Onemix Light Armor is a compelling option for runners seeking a budget-friendly carbon-plated shoe that excels in both training and racing, offering comfort, durability, and advanced features for optimal performance. The Hoka Clifton 9 is a versatile running shoe tailored for both seasoned runners and beginners, excelling in everyday runs and half marathons. Crafted with innovation, the Clifton 9 boasts a Metarocker midsole that ensures efficient and energy-saving transitions, creating a highly cushioned and comfortable running experience. Engineered for long-term runners and newcomers alike, the Clifton 9 stands out as an energetic pavement pounder, promising a smoother ride through every mile. With a responsive and lightweight foam, a gusseted streamlined tongue, and a breathable engineered knit upper, this shoe provides a snug fit, comfort, and protection for runners of all levels. The revamped Clifton 9 introduces a plusher heel and Metarocker sole, offering extra spring instability to propel runners forward. The dermabrasion rubber outsole ensures reliable traction on various surfaces and conditions, enhancing the shoe's versatility. Designed to be the go-to trainer for everyday runs, the Clifton 9 combines speed and comfort in a visually striking package. The stripped-back upper, free from overlays and hot melts, features a reflective heel panel and a streamlined tongue with a single-side medial gusset, contributing to the shoe's overall lightweight design. The Clifton 9 is the 9th iteration of the award-winning Clifton franchise, maintaining its reputation for being light and plush for everyday miles. With a 5mm heel-to-toe drop and a symmetrical bed of cushions, the Clifton 9 provides support without unnecessary technologies. The compression-molded EVA foam midsole and early-stage Metarocker ensure lightweight cushioning and smoother heel-to-toe transitions. Overall, the Hoka Clifton 9 is a game-changing running shoe designed to empower runners of all levels with a blissful and responsive running experience. The Nike Revolution 5 is a versatile and affordable running shoe suitable for short distances, such as 5 to 10 kilometers, but excelling in a variety of activities. With a modern and stylish minimalist design, the shoe is not only functional but also aesthetically appealing. Featuring a soft foam sole unit, the Revolution 5 ensures a comfortable and stable ride. The lightweight and flexible construction, combined with a true-to-size fit, make it a comfortable choice for runners. The shoe is particularly well-suited for those with a neutral footstep who prefer running on asphalt. Designed for breathability, the Nike Revolution 5 boasts a mesh upper that keeps your feet cool during runs and workouts. The rubber outsole offers durable traction on different surfaces, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor activities. The textured outer wall of the sole reduces the overall weight of the shoe while maintaining the necessary flexibility. Beyond running, the Nike Revolution 5 proves to be an excellent choice for gym workouts and classes. The soft foam midsole provides lightweight and responsive cushioning, ensuring a smooth and comfortable stride. Additional features such as a reinforced heel and overlays contribute to the shoe's support and durability. In summary, the Nike Revolution 5 is a well-rounded athletic shoe that combines style, comfort, and performance. Whether you're tackling short runs or engaging in various indoor activities, this shoe offers revolutionary comfort and durability.